Hey guys, it's Tony with Backwoods Biker Magazine and Wood Tramp Outdoors. I'm being asked about the blade that I have on my kit here. Hang tight, we're going to talk about that. Welcome back. Well, first of all, I appreciate the question. You know, you see me changing out blades a lot, but you've seen this blade quite a bit over the last 6 months. This happens to be a blade from Ultimate Survival Tips, designed by the owner of the company, David Pozinski. And I first ran into David probably in 2017. We'd gotten a lot of emails, and I think that it came from a bunch of guys out at 29 Palms out there, the Force Recon unit, that had asked me if I had seen the new MSK1 knife. The multi-scenario knife is what he calls it, MSK1. It's a great knife, big knife. There was a lot of positives for it, and he has evolved and made different iterations of the MSK1. Started out with D2 steel, then he has upgraded it up to the same steel that you're going to see here. Then he came out with the Mini, MSK1 Mini, which is a neat little knife. And then lo and behold, he contacted me and said, hey, I got something new, because I had always shared the feedback that you had sent to me about the knife, the MSK1. And the biggest thing was that I got from operators and from guys that were being deployed. They bought the knife and then they realized, man, this thing is a little bit too heavy. And also the steel was, you know, if you're going to be in a wet area, a humid area, the steel was going to be a little bit more difficult to maintain. All that was passed on to David, and then he hit the drawing board, and I think that this is probably one of the best multi-purpose knives that I've had in my possession in a long time. Not only is it a tactical knife, but it is also a survival knife, bushcrafting, you know, being out in the woods. And this is the guy right here. Let me see, I'm going to lift up these sunglasses. This is 154 cm, so that's what the new MSK1s are made out of also. But it is just so perfect. It's not oversized, but yet it is very formidable. You could use this for a defensive knife. You could use it for a breaching knife because of the pommel, the way it's on here. There's also a ferro rod striker back here on this area that my lanyard's covering it up right now, but you could probably see that right there. It's a ferro rod striker. On the inside of the handle, this is really cool. Now, what do I say about mini survival kits? You carry a mini survival kit, you've got a mini chance of survival. That's the truth, okay? Because most of them are BS. They're just garbage that people throw in a little tin, throw them out on Amazon, and make you believe that you're going to be able to survive for 72 hours. You know, that is the target. You got to be able to be saved within 72 hours or you're walking out. So what David did was he went to the drawing board and he hooked up with one of the best companies that are out there for smaller type of survival items, okay? And he had them develop a survival kit that actually fits in this handle. Okay, the handle is not skeletized, but it has 2 compartments in it. And in there are 21 survival items. I'll show that to you also while I'm at it. But yeah, this is truly one of my favorite knives, and I've been carrying it for a long time. It's perfect for this kit as well. And I would encourage you to get out to his website. Again, it's Ultimate Survival Tips. I really don't know if there are any of these available right now. So please be watching, because what he'll do is he'll put a cook starter out there and he'll produce a small batch. These are made in small batches. They're made in the USA, and I think these are made by Tops Knives. I tried to get David on the phone before I did this video. Busy man. But again, if you're looking for something that is all-purpose, can do the job for less than $400, this is the guy. It'll not only keep you safe out in the woods and out in the bush, but it'll keep you safe in an AO. It'd be a great knife to take with you if you have to deploy. So thanks for the question on this knife. I didn't mention the sheath. It's just a molded sheath is what it is, but as you can see, it holds this knife very well. Now usually I change out my knives, change out my sheaths to fit my needs. This fits it perfect. My main concern was, if I take a tumble, will it stay in the sheath? I've thrown this bag down a hill and knife stays put. So again, thank you for asking. Get out there and check it out. You might be able to find yourself a Christmas gift out there for somebody. You never know. So until next time, you guys ride free, you live free, and as always, you be safe out there.